Hi, friends. It's me, Alicia D. Williams, author of Genesis Begins Again. I'm here today to introduce today's writing prompt. Today we're going to do lists. Yes, lists. If you've been reading Genesis, you know that Genesis keeps a list of reasons of why she hates herself. And just like Genesis, this happened to me. Well, confession. Two girls who will remain nameless put a list on my desk in middle school, and when I opened it up, it did say 100 reasons why we hate Alicia. And on that list, just like Genesis, it was a bunch of stupid stuff. Like she wore the same pants on Wednesday that she wore on Monday. She smiles too much. She laughs when nothing's funny. Like a bunch of stupid, silly things. And sometimes we keep these lists. Genesis happened to keep that list and add to it. I didn't do that. Maybe I kept a mental list going on of things that I didn't like about myself. But today, I think it's time to change that narrative. I think we all have a list of things that people said that we don't like about ourselves, that they don't like about us, and we add to that list mentally. Time to cut that out because their opinions do not count. Thank you. Let's create our own lists. Our writing prompt today is to write a list. I know, it may sound corny, but write a list of things that you like about yourself. Yes, a list of things that you like about yourself, a list of compliments that you've received, a list of positive things that people said, moments that really made you feel like, yeah, I'm that chick, I'm that girl, I'm that guy. So write that list out and continue to add to it. And if you're a writer, I want you to also think about this. While I was in school to learn how to write, my teacher told me to make a list of 5 titles of people, places, objects, secrets, and events. Create a list of these things and add to that list every day, right? And every day she wanted me to pick something out from that list and write. So write a list of people, places, things, events, and secrets that you would not be the same if you have not experienced those people, places, things, or objects or secrets, right? And that will help you remember things and enrich your writing. So when you write stories, you become a better writer because you have more memories and you have more experience to pull from. I hope this writing prompt helps. And teachers, if you like this and want to hear more, please like the video and subscribe. And if you want to, please send me your ideas and thoughts or questions, and I'd love to make a video out of it. Bye.